This is the video showing how to set up and program the super user code for the DK-9520 and DK-9522. Super user code is the highest authority code for the keypad. No matter what condition, it is valid all the time. Firstly, we need to enter the programming mode by using the master code. Start. Now, you are in programming mode. For the super user code, it is in location 45. And then enter the super user code. Palm to confirm. 2-bit means successful. And then press star to exit the programming mode. Now, the keypad, we have a super user code of 2580. There are different features for the super user code, such as triggered output 1, put output 1 into toggle mode, and inhibit the user code. To trigger the output 1, we can use super user code palm 1. For toggle mode, we can use super user code palm 7. The lock will not lock until you press super user code palm 7 again. This mode is suitable for the train store and office when they open and close the store. There is a user code in this keypad, which is 2468. End user can use super user code to inhibit the user code by using super user code palm 9. When the red LED turns on, which means the user code is inhibited. But end user can use the super user code palm 1 to unlock anytime. To disable the inhibit mode for user code, press super user code palm 9 again. Now the user code is valid again.